Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. For those who do not know, I am the Secret Yorkshire Cook, and in today's recipe tutorial we are going to be making creamy chicken fajita skillet 1-pan meal. This is a great meal for those busy weekday nights that you just need something super fast to get out on the table. As usual, this recipe serves 2 people. They are rather generous servings, so you could make it for 3 people. Now, as you can see on the right hand side of the screen are all the ingredients. Please do feel free to pause if you need to. As many people in the UK know, the government in England has rejected calls to extend the voucher scheme for children receiving free school meals over the half-term and winter holidays. In last week's video, I announced that I'd been inspired by Marcus Rashford, the Manchester United footballer, and made the decision that any money that I earn from YouTube for the rest of October will be donated to FareShare. FareShare is a charity on the forefront of tackling hunger and food waste. FareShare is the UK's longest running food redistribution charity. They were born out of a belief that no good food should go to waste, especially when people are going hungry. I understand that the Secret Yorkshire Cook is not a big brand, and within a month we do not make much from YouTube revenue, which is where you come in. If you could even watch one of my videos, share with just one friend, or even play a playlist in the background as you work, this will help increase the monetary value of our donation at the end of November. I must stress at this point that all the money that is earned over the next month will be donated to FareShare, with none of the money earned from YouTube views going to me. I believe that even with my limited social media following, I can and should help. So guys, please do like this video, drop me a comment, and please do share it with your friends who you think may enjoy it. Let's help raise a little bit of money for FareShare. Okay guys, I really want to just thank you for listening to all of that. This is where I'm quiet, and now we're gonna jump straight into the recipe tutorial. Enjoy. Hey up guys, it's just me. Thank you very much for checking out this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please drop me a like and a comment below, and do consider subscribing. Thank you once again guys for watching all the way through. It will help with the donation to FareShare. Guys, thank you very much again, and I'll see you next week on Sunday, and remember, keep cooking.